Hi and welcome to Hand Embroidery. Buttonhole stitch. This stitch is often used along the edge of projects, often blankets, hence the name. Never underestimate a stitch like buttonhole as it is a marvelously versatile stitch. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update. If you want thicker bullions, you need a thicker weight of thread. You can't make the bullion any thicker by adding more wraps. Here is a sanity saver. When you have finished your bullion or cast on stage, make a knot on the back to secure that bullion. Hope you enjoyed this video and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching our videos.